Hello friends, welcome to my channel. When you're creating content like a video or even live streaming, you might need something to handle audio routing and recording. In this video, I will show you how to record internal audio on Mac with Loopback, Audacity, and QuickTime. So, first I have to download and install Loopback software on Mac. Go to Amoeba's website and click on the free download button. After downloading the file of Loopback, go to the Downloads folder and open the Loopback software. Now, it will redirect you to the Loopback installer screen. Choose on Install button from the bottom right corner. Then enter your admin password and tap the OK button. The new pop-up window will open and show a message that the system extension is blocked. Click on Open System Settings. From the next screen, go to the Enable System Preference Extensions. By doing this, you will receive a privacy and security pop-up. Enter your Touch ID or admin password. To enable system extensions, you need to modify your security settings in the recovery environment. So, select the shutdown option and turn off your Mac. Now, press and hold the power button for at least 10 seconds. It will open the startup options. Select Options and tap on Continue to open the macOS recovery mode. Select a user you know the password for and click on Next. Enter the password and tap on Continue. From the recovery screen, choose Utilities and select Startup Security Utility. Here, the new pop-up window will open. Select the system you want to set the security policy and click on the Unlock option. It will ask you to enter the admin password to unlock the disk and press the Unlock option. Now click on Security Policy and select Reduced Security, then allow user management of kernel extensions from identified developers and press OK. Here, the recovery mode will try to change the system settings. Again, enter the admin password and press OK. Here it will apply the security policy. Now, go to the Apple logo and restart the Mac. Afterward, move to the Apple logo, choose System Settings and select Privacy and Security. Under the Security menu, ensure you have allowed applications to download from the App Store and identified developers. If you have not allowed this option, it will ask you to enable it first. That's it. Now I will show you how to use Loopback software and record internal audio of Mac applications, microphones, and websites. First, add a new virtual device from the bottom left of the screen. You can see that a new virtual device has been added. Next, you will receive sources, output channels, and monitors on the right side. Click on the plus icon to pick out the application you want to record the sound from and select and open the applications to record audio. Now click on the plus icon next to the monitors and configure the speaker or microphone connected to your Mac computer. In case you want to delete the source applications or previous virtual audio device, select it and click on the delete option from the bottom side. Press the Shift command +5 for screen recording and enable Loopback audio. It will record your screen with selected all Mac applications. Now open the QuickTime player on Mac and select Go to the File menu to choose a new audio recording option. Select the Loopback audio under the microphone option and start recording audio. After recording, it is easy to play and listen to your recorded audio. Next, I will show you how to record audio on a Mac with Audacity. First, download Audacity from the website displayed on the screen. Then drag the Audacity app to the application's shortcut. Now, open the Loopback software and turn on the virtual device. Now open the Audacity application. Go to the audio setup, select the playback device as Loopback, and start recording new audio from the red dot icon and save it. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest technical video updates.